Yeah, welcome guys to another tutorial. We just want to see how we can design school flyer. So just follow me to the CorelDraw. Let's see what we can get out today. So, all right, because of time limits, I've already keep out my write-up and what I want to use. But just follow the design pattern and we'll see what we can get out of it. So first, I've already used my workspace to be A6. I want to use A6 so for this design. So and I'll pick my rectangle tool. I'll double click here. It gives me my rectangle tool here. So I'll use the color to be blue. I'll use blue. So I'll press and hold on this blue color. It will pop up for me. So I'll use this here. All right, that's what I will use. So I will also click and drag before I leave it. I'll right click to duplicate it, and I'll use red color for it. I'll use a deep red color. Okay, so I'm good with that. Another thing I will do, I will duplicate this. So I'll stop there. I'll right click. Then the first one is I'll do this. So I have this space here. So another thing, I'll still get another rectangle tool, or preferable, I'll just duplicate the blue background. So I'll duplicate it. While when you click and drag, before you leave it, you right click, it will allow you to duplicate. So in order for me to go on with my manipulation, my design, I will press Ctrl Q, it to convert it to outline so that I can easily work on it. So after doing that, I'll click on Shape Tool. It will now enable me. I'll just double click on it. It will now enable me to edit it the way I want it to look like. So I will now change the color to I'll use orange. So if you check through, there are outlines on it, so I want to remove all the outlines. So I'll just highlight the whole work and come here and select none. Or another way for you to remove the outline is for you to right click on this. It will also remove the outline for you. So the next thing I'll do is to bring in ellipse tool somewhere here. I'll just set it where I want it to be. So I'm okay with that size. What I will do is I will change the outline color. So I will come here, change the size, maybe let's say 12. It's too big. Let's say 10. Okay, I'm okay with 10. So I will now duplicate this circle. You know how to duplicate, but if case you don't know, I want to reduce the size of this one. While click and drag down, I press down Shift button while dragging so that it will give me the equal size of the circle. So before I leave it, I have to right click. I duplicate it. So I'll bring it here. I'll also duplicate it down here. I'll reduce the size. Okay. I think I'm good with that. I still bring it down here, still duplicate again, reduce it a bit, take it down here again, also have to duplicate, reduce it a bit. So this is what I have. Thing is too big in total, so I will reduce it. So what I will do is I will highlight, or for you to highlight, you either right highlight it from outside, or you click each of them while pressing down shift button to highlight it. So let me shift it a bit. I think I'm okay with that. So what I will do next is to power clip these pictures into this object. So what I will do, that's different ways to power clip depending on the one you prefer. One of it is that you right click on the image, the picture, and take it to the object you want to power clip it into and leave it. It will give you a pop-up that says you should power clip inside, and once you click, it power clips. Then the other one is you right click on the image you want to power clip, and you see option says power clip inside. When you click on that power clip inside, it will give you an arrow. You click on it, it's inside there. So depending on what you want, you are going to do your power clip as you may want it. So that's exactly what I'm doing now to power clip my object. So it's anyone you prefer that you can always use. So all right, after you power clip, you need to, it doesn't look nice, it doesn't look good if you can see through, it doesn't look good. So I'll have to rearrange it by, once you click on the power clips objects, you see something like this, or you right click on it, you see edit power clip. It gives you the same thing. So you click on it and it will give you option to resize the image to fit with it. So I think I'm okay with this. I will also do same with this. So I think I'm okay with this. I'll click on finish, and for this I will also have to touch it a bit. Okay, so I think I'm okay with this. I will also edit this other one. And I will also edit this. Now, I don't want to use the two persons there. I will only use the female. So I will have to expand the image to how only the female can enter, or how I just want it to look like, and click on OK. So now the outline for these other small ones are bigger. So I'll just have to reduce it to let's say 8. So we are good on that. Can see our work is coming out. So the next thing we'll have to do is start fixing in the write-up wherever you want the write-ups to be. So that's the next thing I will start doing now. So follow me as we do. Now I'll start with the logo and the name of the establishment and the name of the school. So I've already written mine. Remember I told you because of time I had to do it that way. So now you need to fix the logo somewhere here and the name. Now if there are no outline on this name, you see it's somehow light. But in order for you to fix the outline, so what you do is when you click on the name, you come down here, you see this icon. When you double click on that icon, it will allow you to see the effect, what changes you can make to it. I use point 10 and I use the rounded corner, and also use behind fill, and I also select on scale with object and click OK to give me this, so that the name can really come out for one to see it well. So after doing that, now I also want to add, what is this flyer for? It's for admission. So I'll just bring it here and I'll change the color to white so that it can really come out well. So the aim of this flyer is the admission for 2021/2022 academic session. So we have it there. And now the school, the establishment might have learning benefit, as in why people should come to them. So you can list that out in these points. So depending on what the school gave to you, you work based on the information you are given. So I will also still change the color of it to white so that it can stand out. And now there is a little thing I want to do here to make this look somehow different. Let's say somehow nice, somehow nice. So what I want to do there is that just want to bring in a little design. So I'll click on my rectangle tool somewhere here. So I'll click on the shape tool to reshape it. I'm okay with this, so I'll keep it where I feel okay with. I'll use this other red color. I remove the outline, so I'll power clip it to this blue frame, and also go to my polygon tool. I'll make it 3 and I draw a triangle as I want it. I'll change it to 90 degrees. So I'll make it white color. I will also take it here how I want it to look like. I will also right click and power clip it inside. So see how it looks like. So there's another design I also want to add there. I pick my rectangle tool and also take it down here. Yeah, and I will change it to white. Now in this place I will fix my the address of the establishment there. Just want to make it look good. See, I fix it there. So now every establishment, or some establishment, might want people to know about them. Whatsoever be their information, you get it from them and you fix it. So I'm fixing for this here so that you can easily get their information here. And there is always need for contact information. There is always need for contact information. So I decide to bring that in here. Now, what are the contact information? Can be the website address of that establishment. It can be the phone number, their WhatsApp number, whatsoever is their contact. It's what people can easily reach out to them. So that is their contact. So you just fix it somewhere. I want to still bring this down a bit. Okay, so I think I'm okay with that now. So I can also decide to maybe still make this, expand it a bit. So I'll shift this down. Okay, I think it's a bit nice now. So there's another thing I want to also add is the levels of education they have in the establishment. So I will also bring this in here. I'll use blue color here. Use blue color here. So this is for the stages of education. I'll use orange here. Okay. Let's say we have the secondary, the nursery, and the primary section. So I'll just have to bring them in. So I want to use let's see if purple can go here. Yeah, pink can go here. So and I'll use white here. Let me use pure white. So I'll take this daycare down here. So this is for so I've aligned it, take it there. This is for nursery. I'll use white here to stand out. They also have primary session, so I will edit this for primary. And I will also edit, duplicate this and edit it for secondary. Don't always forget to subscribe to our channel to also make us grow as we also make you grow. So this is the secondary version, secondary part of the school. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also like and share comments on it for us to improve. So this is actually what we've got for you. So with this, we've completed our flyer design for this school. So you can also bring in your initiatives to do your work better. Also, you can also keep in touch with us when you click on subscribe, click on the notification button because other videos are coming on the way. Other tutorial on flyers are coming your way. Thank you for tuning in.